Next topic is addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. So starting from exercise 15b. For addition and subtraction, first you are supposed to convert um, the decimal into like decimal. Clear? Uh, Question number 1, add the following: 0.243, then 2.47, then 3.009. Now as you can see in this question, after decimal you are having 3 places, and in this after decimal you are having 2, and in this after decimal you are having 3. So 3 is the maximum places you are having, so we will convert this 2.47 into like decimal. So as you know that we have to add 0 to convert it into like fraction. So first write 0.243, then 2.47, and the last will be 0, then 3.009. Now 3 plus 9, 12, 1 carry, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 7, 12, 1 carry, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, decimal 325. So 5.722 is your required answer. Clear? So like this you have to solve question number 1. One more question from question number 1, that is 1/4. And the question is 18, 200.35, 11.75 and 2.3. So first you have to convert into like fraction, like decimal. Okay, so as you can see we are not having any decimal here, and here we are having 2 places after decimal, similarly 2 places after decimal and 1 place after decimal, so that we have to convert this 18 and this 2.3. So we can write 18 as 18.00, then this 200.35, then 11.75, and the last is 2.3, so add 0, 2.30. Now add this, so 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry, 7 plus 3, 10, plus 1, 11, 3, 14, 1 carry, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 1 carry, 2, then 3, and this is 2. So 232.40 is your required answer. Clear? So like this you have to solve question number 1. Then question number 2. In question number 2, find the value of, you have to subtract. Clear? So first question is 6.8 minus 2.64. यहाँ पे डेसिमल के बाद एक प्लेस है और यहाँ पे डेसिमल के बाद 2 प्लेस है, तो इसको कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. सो फर्स्ट राइट 6.8 माइनस 2.64, सो दिस 0. सो सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, सो बोरो करना पड़ेगा, तो ये हो जाएगा 10. 10 में 4, 6, देन दिस विल बी 7. 7 माइनस 6, 1. 6 minus 2, 4. So 4.16 is your required answer. So like this you have to solve question number 2. Clear? Just convert it into like decimal, then you can solve. Question number 3, subtract from. तो from के बाद जो है ना उसको पहले लिखते हैं, क्योंकि उसी में से subtract कर रहे हैं. So question number 3 second, subtract 2.008 from 22.1058. So from के बाद जो है तो 22.1058, then this we have to subtract, so 2.008 like decimal में convert करना है, तो ये 0. Now 8 minus 0, 0. So now this will be 15. 15 minus 8, 7, and this will be 9. Okay, and this will be 0, decimal 0, 2. So 20.09 778 is your required answer. Clear? Like this you have to solve question number 3. Then question number 4 is simplify. You can solve that question number 4. बॉडमस के हिसाब से पहले ऐड करना है फिर सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. एक क्वेश्चन में बता देता हूँ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 5th 8.57 minus 6.4432 minus 1.70 plus 0.683. So this is a positive number, this is also a positive number. तो ये दोनों नेगेटिव है. क्लियर? सो फर्स्ट कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं लाइक डेसिमल में. मैक्सिमम डेसिमल प्लेसेस हैं यहाँ पे कितने हैं 1 2 3 4. तो सबको वैसे ही कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं. सो 8.5700 minus 6.4432, this will be same, minus 1.7000 plus 0.683 then 0. अब इसको और इसको दोनों पॉजिटिव है, वी विल ऐड. सो 8.5700 0.6830. क्लियर? So 0 3 5 then 12 1 carry 9. So from this 2 we are getting 9.2530. Now we will subtract 6.4432 minus 1.70000. Okay, so just subtract this value from this, then whatever you will get again subtract this one. Clear? So from there your required answer $1.1098. Okay, so like this you have to subtract. Then question number 5, from the sum of. So first you will add 75.75 and 4.9, then you will subtract 28.465. पहले दोनों को ऐड करना है, जो रिजल्ट आएगा उसमें 28.465 सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. यू कैन सॉल्व. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, सब्ट्रैक्ट द सम ऑफ 8.14 and 12.9 from 32.7. Subtract the sum of, इन दोनों का सम निकालना है, फिर फ्रॉम इसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. सो फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड सम. सो 8.14 प्लस 12.9 and this will be 0. So from there we are getting 0, 1 carry here, decimal 11, 1 carry here 2. 21.04 we are getting. Now 21.04 we have to subtract from 32.7. So 32.7 minus 21.04, this will be 0. So just this 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 4 6, then this will be 6. 6 minus 0 6, decimal 2 minus 1 1, 2 minus 2 1. So 11.66 is your required answer. Clear? So you can solve question number 7 8 9. Okay, then last question, what least number must be added to 89.376 to get 1000. That means what least number must be added to this number. ऐसा क्या ऐड करें इसमें कि हमारा रिजल्ट कितना है 1000. सो लेट दैट लीस्ट नंबर बी एक्स. सो एक्स ऐड करेंगे किसमें 89.376 में, इक्वल्स टू 1000. क्लियर? नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड एक्स. एक्स को फाइंड करना है, लीस्ट नंबर है. सो एक्स एज इट इज़ यही रहेगा. ट्रांसपोज दिस वैल्यू टू द राइट हैंड साइड. So this value we are transposing towards 1000. So first we will write 1000, then प्लस है तो वहाँ जाके माइनस 89.376. तो ये डेसिमल 000. Okay, so now solve this. 1000 minus 89.376. So 910.624 will be your required answer. So you can solve 15B. If you are having any doubt, do message.